guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to share with you a delicious green bean side that doesn't take much time at all. Let's go. Alrighty, to get started we're going to get a pan on high and throw in 1 packet of cut up bacon. Now this is going to make a lot, so you could always have this recipe. And I'm just going to peel them apart a little bit so they cook a little more evenly. And I added this to a dry pan because bacon has a lot of fat in it, so it'll render out just fine. And we're even going to have to take some of it out to finish cooking, so we just don't want all of that in there. But you don't need to oil or butter the pan for your bacon. So I'm wanting this bacon to be slightly crispy, but also still have kind of a chew to it. So we're getting pretty close here. Okay, this looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and get this dumped out onto a paper towel with all the grease, just to drain it off. There's, you know, a tiny bit left in here. Now, we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of butter, turn our heat down slightly, and add in our 2 sliced red onions, and 1 cup of canned sliced mushrooms. And we'll get those fried off. I'm going to go in with just a pinch of salt to get those onions starting to cook down. We don't want too much though because that bacon is very salty. Okay, our onions are translucent, so we're going to go ahead and take them off the heat and stick them into a bowl on the side just because I don't have a big enough pan out. You could definitely keep them in while you do the green beans. I'm going to go in with 2 more tablespoons of butter and 1 large bag of green beans. And we are going to saute these green beans until they are done. And I actually find it easier to use tongs to kind of flip these around. And these Hexclad pans are great because you can use metal utensils in them and not mess up the nonstick coating. Okay, these have been sauteing for about 10 minutes and they are soft now. So we're going to go ahead and add back in our veggies, so our onions and our mushrooms, along with our drained bacon, just to get everything heated back together now that it's kind of cooked down. Now we'll go in with a tablespoon of garlic. I'll get that to the bottom just to start frying off. We'll go in with 4 big tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of black pepper, and then half a cup of brown sugar. And give it a nice mix and let all the sugar dissolve. Let the soy sauce cook out a little bit. Let the garlic cook out. And it's gonna be so good. Alrighty, I think our green bean side is done. We'll give it a nice final stir here. It smells delicious. So we are going to use this as a side for dinners this week. Tonight we're going to do some salmon. It would be good with really any kind of meat, just as a side dish. But let's get some divvied out and give it a taste test. There we go. Okay, our green beans are done, so let's give them a taste test. So good. They are sweet, they are salty. I personally would like a little spice in there, so maybe like some red pepper flakes, but this is so good as it is. I hope you give it a try. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.